What's up guys? It's Ribbon and welcome back to my channel. So ngayon, may groupings po kami sa research. Ito na yung final episode ng Research Adventures. And tuloy ko na lang mamaya kasi na-late na ako. Papunta na po kami sa sakayan. Anong nararamdaman mo ngayon? Tulog sa tulog. 2 hours lang po tulog niya. Oh, hi Kim!
Si Michael at si Mary, sila na ng dalawa.
Yung kamala na.
Nandiyan na sina Joanne?
Pupunta, yung nag-yes.
Sila ata yun?
Mataas tayo kasi naka-establish yung party.
Ah, sige.
Ay, really?
Ano nararamdaman mo ngayon? Hello!
Hi!
Kaya mag-focus? Masyado daw maganda kaya ayaw mag-focus. Hello! Wow! Brownies!
Hala, di may makakapot. Ay!
Ayan po. Nagre-review kami ngayon.
Alam natin, wala ka.
Rinig sa ano yun.
Nagpipigil na ng tawa.
Yung isa yung ginigisa.
Ano ba ng sign natin? Ako na.
Magbilatan na lang tayo.
Nagtitinginan eh.
Tapos, paano pag may sabay na magtaas ng kamay? Sinong sasagot?
Akala ko na pala yun kayo.
Bulaga ako sa iyo. Ano, pagmumulaw.
Oo nga no, hindi ko naisip yan.
1 hour before our research defense, pinag-usapan muna namin kung paano yung magiging way ng pagsagot if ever na may itanong. And after joining the Zoom meeting, we did a final practice of our presentation while waiting for our turn.
Hello, good morning guys. Reminder lang before you start presenting, your time is limited to 5 minutes only. Our panelists have the discretion to cut your presentation short if you exceeded the 5-minute time limit that has been allotted to you. Okay, you may now start presenting on your own team.
Good morning, everyone. First, we'd like to thank our research advisors, Ms. Nicole Castro and Ms. Lady Garado, for guiding us with this project. We'd also like to acknowledge the panelists for taking the time to assess this study. This research is titled Phytochemical Analysis of Arachis hypogea, or peanut shell, and Helianthus annuus, or sunflower seed hull. Peanuts and sunflowers are 2 of the most widely cultivated crops in all continents except Antarctica. Although their shells only end up as agricultural wastes, it was proven that the peanut and sunflower seeds, take note, it's just seeds itself, possess a diverse range of phytochemical compounds. This research aims to identify the phytochemical constituents found in peanut shells and sunflower seed shell extract. Since the shells of both crops have received little attention in the field of research, this study is significant as it will greatly contribute to drug development and add to existing knowledge in medicine in the pharmaceutical industry. Furthermore, using renewable resources such as peanut shell and sunflower seed hulls to create a cost-effective alternative medicine is beneficial not only to the environment but also to the country's economy. It is an important reminder that this research is limited only to the phytochemical analysis of the peanut shell and sunflower seed hull extract.
Methodology. Materials were collected, prepared, and extracted through maceration and rotary evaporation. Then, phytochemical screening was done to determine the compounds present in peanut and sunflower seed shell extracts. Initially, we plan to test the antifungal activities of both shell extracts using agar-well diffusion. Unfortunately, none of the laboratories we contact offered the necessary testing. Hence, we decided to focus our research study only on the phytochemical analysis of these shells and revise our paper.
After performing the phytochemical analysis, here are the results of the experiment. The ninhydrin test was the first test we performed on the samples. Peanut and sunflower seed shell extracts were confirmed to have the presence of amino acids as they form a thin and thick layer of purple color. Tannins were also detected in both samples during the tannin test. Both extracts turned to a dark green color, indicating the presence of tannins. On the other hand, saponins were not detected in both samples during the prot test. Both extracts did not form any prot after shaking the samples for 5 minutes. In the flavonoid test, the peanut shell extract created a yellow reaction, indicating the presence of flavonoids, while the sunflower seed shell extract has no reaction, which implies the absence of flavonoids.
The Mayer's test was used to determine the presence of alkaloids in the samples. A positive reaction showed a color change in the peanut shell extract and a chunk of precipitate sticking to the bottom of the graduated cylinder. Meanwhile, there was no reaction in the sunflower seed shell extract, indicating the absence of alkaloids. Next, during the Milon's test, no problems were found in either samples. A slight color change was observed in the peanut shell extract, but the white precipitate that indicates protein content was not seen, while the sunflower seed shell extract has no reaction, indicating the absence of proteins.
Phenolic compounds were examined in the extract through the lead acetate test. Both extracts didn't exhibit any change after they underwent the test. Phytosterols were also not detected in both extracts during the Lieberman-Butcherd test. Both extracts didn't exhibit the color change that is needed to conclude the presence of phytosterols. For the presence of sugars in the samples, we used the Benedict's test. Both extracts didn't produce any precipitate, indicating the absence of sugars.
For the conclusion, the phytochemical screening results revealed the presence or absence of different phytochemical constituents in peanut shells and sunflower seeds. Saponin, sugars, phenolic compounds, protein, and phytosterols were not detected in either extract. Flavonoids and alkaloids were found only in peanut shells alone, while tannins and amino acids were found in both samples, which show antibacterial properties. In comparison to sunflower seed shells, peanut shells clearly contain more phytochemical constituents.
The information obtained from the findings suggests that both extracts have potential antimicrobial activity, antibacterial and antifungal, as well as anti-cancer, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant activity. As current infections become drug-resistant, maximizing this potential adds significantly to the rising demand for alternative treatment. And these agricultural wastes, the peanut shells and sunflower seed shells, could be considered a useful material for medications and can be further researched.
So, ayun lang naman po para sa aming presentation. May ilang katanungan yung panelists and thankfully, nasagot naman po namin lahat. We were also grateful because they gave some recommendations for our research paper.
Okay, thank you, Miss Ivy and Sir Fillmore. Congratulations, phytochemical group. Now you may start processing your research papers, chapters 1 to 5, and you should consider the suggestions and the inputs of our panelists. Okay, again, congratulations, officially graduating na kayo. Wala na kayo kailangan. The chapters 1 to 5 na lang.
Thank you kay, sorry. I'm so sorry. Thank you po kay Miss Ivy and kay Sir Kumar. Nawala masyadong talaga.
Naisip din ng payo kasi wala akong naisip na sa'yo. Hindi ako. Sa iniisip ko, wait, ito na ba yung soil?
Nakikita naman tayo.
Si Tupi. Sige, saluhin mo na.
Nice.
Gusto ko.
Research dependent.
One shift later.
Hi guys! Kala mo naman energetic. So yun, katatapos lang po ng research defense namin. Tapos ngayon nagbibilad kami sa arawan. Init. Kahit may payong kami, mainit pa rin. Pero okay lang yun. Hot kasi kami. So yun, papunta kami sa milk tea shop. Hindi ko alam kung saan. Ay, bakit nandun sila sa dulo? Ang layo ng agwat nila.
Mabilis sila tayo maglakad.
Paunahan ba?
Mabilis maglakad.
Oo nga. Alam niyo ba? Kasi di ba, ikaw ba yung kasama ko doon? Yung mabilis na maglakad?
Oo, tapos si Romina.
Hi, Romina! Shout out! Miss ka na namin. Miss na namin yung paglalakad. Oh, yung cute ng aso nakasakay sa tricycle. Hindi ko pa natatry yung ano yun. Coffee. Akala ko is coffee yun kasi coffee. Nanyak ko diba?
Hindi ako tumangin.
Ayan po, nakikipaglaban sige sa hangin ngayon. Lakas ng hangin.
Sobrang init.
Oo nga. Kita naman sa... Yan, sige. Tignan niyo yung araw. Hala, napuwing ako. Pusong. Tabi-tabi po. Isa yun sa mga ways of saying you're a Filipino but not directly saying you're a Filipino. Ano daw?
TikTok niya.
Oo, basta yung nakikita ko sa TikTok. So, sa buong vlog na to, kami lang ni Kim yung makikita niya. Hindi ko alam kung nagsasawa na ba kayo sa mukha ko at mukha ni Kim. Pero ayun, nandito kami ngayon sa Alpha Mart. Yes. Amin. Salamat po sa aircon.
So, bumili lang po kami ng pansit canton and drinks sa Alphamart para sa merienda po namin. And special thanks po sa parents ni Kim, sina Tita Eileen and Tito Albert for providing us with our lunch. Maraming salamat po sa tanghalian.
So, ang packaging. Nabago na yung packaging nila. Oo, nagbago sila. Hindi ako updated. Sige man, sige. Oo, kahit ano. Ito, ay, meron lang 16. Ilan na ito? 10. Uy, seryoso? Joke lang, sinyo. Tig-isa tayo. Saan yung po? Oh, yeah. Ay, chili mansi. Chili mansi. Hindi. Chili mansi. Ay, oo, chili mansi. Ito, ako magkano. Buksan mo. Ay, ganun ba yun? Ay, buy one. Ito? Pahawak. Gusto niyo ba yung zero sugar? Yeah. Sige. Isang zero sugar, isang with sugar. Wala naman yung spooner na ako. Ay, hindi ba lang? What's up guys? So yun, katatapos lang po namin mag-groupings and manood ng Turning Red. Ayan, si Nico. Pati si Kim, kami na lang po natitira kasi nagsilayas na yung iba. Hindi na po tayo niliwanag. Sama na tayo, baliktad. Ayan, against the light kasi tayo kami. Ayun, so thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, kindly hit that
Thumbs up.
yes, and don't forget to
Subscribe.
and also click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa aming new uploads. Ito na po yung final chapter ng aming research adventures. So, thank you for being with us. Ayan.